I'm going to show you how to tell if your plants are thirsty using circuits. First, you will need two modules. There's a soil moisture probe sensor and there's a signal processing module. So you see these two pins right here. They have to connect to each other because these are the electrodes and it's going to give the outputs to here. I'll do it using this wire pins thing. It should look like this. It doesn't matter which order you put it in, as long as the electrodes are connected to the module. Now we want to focus on this, and it says VCC right there. That's where the power goes. And the second pin from the left is GND, the ground, and I think we know what that means. And the other ones are DO and AO. These are called digital outputs and analog outputs. We want the analog output, so keep that in mind because we're going to connect it later. So the VCC goes to the voltage, or like any but I'm going to do it this way. So volt 3.3. Oh, my bad. The GND goes to ground, and this analog output should go to A0 or like any kind of you want. So I'll go with A0 because that's like the first one, and the wiring is done. So this is what it should look like. The orange one is VCC, the brown one is ground, the red one is analog 0. Now to upload the code and powering it on right now. First we read the moisture, get the total and average it, and here we read the moisture from the function we just made, and depending on the value we source of the plant. So if we just plug the sensor, we're going to get a value. That's good, and this is what you should see. So it's going to give you the status, and that's pretty useful. Like this video.